For me, what I enjoy most about the Business League is the calibre of the speaker that is organised each month. In 3 words would be value for money. I feel that you commit your time, and obviously there's a cost to join, but I feel you get that by way of return many times over. I'd recommend any Gold Coast business owner looking to expand their network, develop their business from a personal perspective, and ask for warm referrals to potential clients and strategic partners. You can come and give a little, or you can come and give a lot, and I guess you get back what you put in is my take on it. So community aspect of the Business League would be that you're meeting with business owners, and then invariably you're coming into contact with them over the course of the week and through other business networking events. So I find that creates a stronger connection. The atmosphere as well, I think it's always come away motivated after the breakfast, so yeah, it's a great aspect.